Before you scroll, pause for a moment. There are battles people fight that can't be seen. Battles behind smiles, behind "I'm fine," behind the silence late at night. And if you're listening to this, maybe you've been carrying a weight that feels heavier every day. Maybe you've been trying to stay strong while your mind is tearing you apart. So hear this. You are not weak. You are not alone. And depression is not the end of your story. Today, I'll show you 10 simple but powerful steps that can help you take back your mind, your peace, and your life. Listen closely, because one of these steps might be the turning point you've been waiting for. 1. Acknowledge what you feel. Healing starts with honesty. Not hiding. Not pretending. Not forcing yourself to act normal. Say the truth gently to yourself. I'm struggling, but I want to get better. Acknowledgement doesn't make you weak, it makes you brave. It takes courage to confront your pain. And once you name what you feel, you can finally start to heal it. 2. Talk to someone you trust. Depression grows stronger in silence. It gets bigger when you isolate yourself. You don't need to talk to the whole world, just one person. Someone who listens without judging. Someone who understands without forcing solutions. Say something simple like, "Hey, I just need someone to talk to." Opening up is not a burden. It is a step toward freedom. Number 3. Fix your environment. Your surroundings reflect your mental state. When your room is messy, your mind feels messy. When everything is dark, your thoughts become heavier. Start with something small. Fold your clothes. Open your windows. Let sunlight touch your skin. Change one thing. A better environment doesn't cure depression, but it makes the weight easier to carry. Number 4. Move your body every day. Motion changes emotion. Even when you don't feel like it, especially when you don't feel like it. Take a short walk. Stretch your body. Breathe deeply. Feel your heartbeat. Tiny movements wake up parts of your brain that depression tries to shut down. Every bit of physical motion is a signal to your mind saying, "I'm still here. I'm still fighting." Number 5. Create small daily wins. Stop trying to fix your whole life today. It's too heavy. Too overwhelming. Instead, focus on one small victory. Make your bed. Drink a glass of water. Take a shower. Send one message. Write one sentence. These little actions may look simple, but they rebuild your confidence in ways you can't imagine. Small wins create big momentum. Number 6. Change what you feed your mind. Your brain absorbs everything you give it. If you constantly consume negativity, hopeless content, or comparisons, your emotions will sink. Protect your mind. Avoid toxic feeds, negative conversations, and dark content. Replace them with something uplifting, peaceful, or inspiring. Your mind is a garden. What you water grows. Number 7. Challenge negative thoughts. Depression tells lies that sound like truth. You're not good enough. You're alone. You're a failure. But these thoughts are symptoms, not reality. When negativity enters your mind, respond with truth. I'm trying. I matter. I'm improving. I'm not giving up. You can't stop negative thoughts from coming, but you can stop them from controlling you. Number 8. Rest without feeling guilty. Your body is exhausted because your mind has been fighting non-stop. You deserve rest. You deserve a break. You deserve quiet. Rest isn't weakness. It's recovery. Take time to breathe. Take time to reset. Take time to be human. Even your phone needs to recharge. Why don't you? Number 9. Build a simple routine. Routine creates stability. And stability creates peace. Wake up at the same time. Eat something light. Do one productive thing. Plan your day with simple steps. A routine doesn't make life perfect. But it gives your mind direction when everything else feels confusing. Your brain needs structure to feel safe. Number 10. Seek professional help when needed. There is strength in asking for help. There is wisdom in knowing you can't do everything alone. Therapists, counselors, and support groups exist for a reason. To guide you through the darkness. And help you find light again. There is no shame in needing support. Healing is not a solo journey. Help is real. Help is available. Help works. Final encouragement. If you're still listening right now, you have something powerful inside you. Strength. Courage. Determination. The will to heal. Depression might be loud, but it is not undefeatable. Take these steps slowly. One day at a time. One breath at a time. Your joy will return. Your peace will return. Your strength will return. And if you want more messages that lift you up, more guidance, more hope, subscribe to the channel. Your healing continues here. And remember, you're not broken. You're rebuilding. And I'm proud of you.